Quiet! Oh my gosh, it's a child abduction emergency.
This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Dilley Police Department is searching for Big Borrego, Hispanic, female, 6 years old, 3 foot 10 inches, 50 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a black shirt. The Dilley Police Department is
My
also
first
searching
child
for Big
abduction.
Borrego, Hispanic, female, 8 years old, 4 foot even, 52 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a pink t-shirt and blue jeans. Police are looking for Cassandra Alvarez, 27 years old, Hispanic, female, 5 foot 5 inches, 160 pounds, black hair, brown eyes and unknown clothing, in connection with their abduction.
For
The
Christ's sake.
suspect is driving a maroon Mazda 3, bearing Lincoln, Texas temporary tags.
Temporary.
The suspect was last seen in Dilley, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Dilley Police Department at 830-965-2113. News media point of contact is Dilley Police Department at 830-965-2113. End of message.
Oh, that was quick. Imagine if we get a severe thunderstorm one at the same time and,
Severe thunderstorm.